All right. What's the deal, gang? What goes on? Hold on a second. Okay, now we're ready to go. All right, good morning. What's the deal, gang? Jordan, see you, Kenny. What goes on?
You got it.
Morning.
Only morning we want to have is a good one. I want to push here. Really pushed up. All right. So yesterday closed bearish resistance and now we broke yesterday's daily 4 hours bullish. So we broke yesterday's daily highs, looking to come up to 4 hours bullish. Everything's bullish on a smaller time frame. Massive rally here. So almost 1,000 pips, 980, 990 pips. Interesting. Yeah, we're gonna look for some buys. Let's see if we get a pullback and look for some buys. NYC Open's coming up here. Let's look left here. Is there any resistance to the left? Where are you headed, gold? Where are you headed? This looks like Morse code to me. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for some newer structure to print here, because that's previous contracts over there. Wait. The most recent level here. Daniel, what's the deal? What's up, Reggie? 15-minute can be for NYC to push down. 15-minute inverted. What? Yeah, I don't see a seller replay anywhere here yet. We have not printed bullish at support or bearish at resistance. We're not at a support or resistance, kind of mid-range, pushed up here. We've been rallying here. NYC opens here is in a minute and a half. We have FOMC. It's just meeting minutes. It's still a red folder, but not the FOMC numbers drop. And we also have a Trump speech, but that's all later in the afternoon. Right now, there's not much. Close my buy and gold fly up 900 pips afterwards. That's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, man. Yeah, I wasn't on, but I do like this bottom wick here. Do that like handle. Interesting. 30 seconds for NYC Open. Hopefully that gives us structure, not just a push. Boy, a bearish push for NYC Open would just be amazing. 200 pips, this little S area. You on for FOMC? It's I don't know. I don't know because it's not numbers drop, right? And just meeting minutes. Yesterday we were trading for power hour. So if it's anything like yesterday, then yeah, maybe. Thing is, yesterday you ranged all the New York session, all of the prime New York session, right? The peak. And then you had your big move in power hour, which we caught for 61.70. So if it starts ranging throughout the day after the New York's, after the morning session, I'll see if there's potential for power hour. But there should be, with all the FOMC meeting minutes, the Trump speech, there should be fireworks. But it might be priced in throughout the day and gonna hang around for power hour. I don't know. If there's potential, I might hop on. All right, NYC Open here. Gonna do, it's gonna be just as dead as Comex. Comex was dead today. Did nothing. You guys did anything this morning? Any positions this morning? That's Daniel.
I was in London, so I caught some of that. 300 pips.
I mean, there's
bottom.
room. It looks like it's just chopping around, but room. Did you trade this? This push up right here?
Mm-hmm. We're at what, 43.96? Around that, yeah.
Right, where my fucking arrow is. Yeah, 43 minutes.
Up with 300 pips.
Yeah. Lovely. Just want to say thank you, X. I'm still in a position up over 300 pips. Wait. Where are you in? Oh, you're in off a bottom wick here. What support did you use? Okay, it's a nasty 4-hour push. That's a heavy push. Man, I can't blame you. You got to be in 44.87 there. Right? That's your entry, 44.87. People are fucking pancaking all around. You guys are stacking on these pancakes, huh? Pineappling the pancakes. literally was hearing your voice when I took the trade. So funny. I want to know your entry, bro. I would have been at 44.87. You might have been looking at 44.91 here. At which point you would have seen like a 100 pip drawdown. 44.39. Go back. You're on spot. So yeah, you had it this equivalent, the equivalent of 90, 44.91 for there. Yeah, 40. That's what I said. Either 44.91 and you saw about 100 pips drawdown and put your trust in the higher time frame. Right, when in doubt, zoom out, but you trust in the higher time frame. Yeah, and that would have told you everything you needed to know. I probably would have been at 87. Just as good. Is that what you were hearing? Put your trust in the higher time frame as you were taking the position. Okay, we just said this. Let's hope NYSE Open can bring us back down here, because that would be the beginning of structure, right? We have this bullish rally. If you're rallying up, first thing you need in order to print structure is a resistance. After that, you need a support. So let's see if we can print a resistance, close bearish. If we can then print a support for the 4-hour opening on in 23 minutes right now, right? On the next 15, and we can look for to push an hour on the futures 4-hour, on the next futures 4-hour. What's up, Sam? Okay. 250 pip drop. I will say this though, we came back, we tapped the support area. If we re-break the highs here for NYSE Open, we should push. This will be nasty if we re-break that high. What's left here? Hold on, give me a sec. Let me look to the left. We might have some buy stops here. Oh, previous range. $420, right where the closure might have been. All right, let's go back. Yeah, that's where that level is. See, we were right off of it. We just ripped down. I think the rebreak of the highs would do it. We probably want a closure back up above this level. Fuck, NYSE Open. And we broke this low, grabbed orders there. Looks good. Five minutes on this 15, huh? All right, let's get ready for this buy side. We might get it here. What are these stops though? Fuck, man. NYC open. If we get it now, I'm not going to wait for a closure above here. Ideally, once you get this bearish closure, you'd want a closure right above 54.20. But it's NYC open. It's volume. After tapping that support, we start running up here. I will be in it without the closure. I have 24. That's 5.24. That's wait. Buy, stop. The element's based on a level right here where there's a gap. There's a low right there, and a wick fill. See it. There, right there. So that's that would be TP. That would be partials. We got 2 minutes on this 15. NYC open candle. NYC open 30. See what we could do here. I'm so dead, Wix, is because you never danced today. I did dance a little bit though, off camera. Okay, well, we get a push here for NYC open. Down a bit. Okay, gang. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house. $42 flat there. 1 minute here. And we push. Closed above the range. Bottom wick. Broke the previous 15 low. NYC open. Bounce off support. Rebreaking the high. The daily high. The previous hourly high. 30 high. The previous 30 high. The current hourly high. 20 seconds in that. Fuck. Need a bottom wick here. This sucks. Like candle right into resistance. Just can't imagine NYC open holding here. Do we break that high? I mean, does it owe us a pullback? Not necessarily. Let's look back. And look at that. We filled the lick candle body. Yeah, if we're NYC open, I'd imagine that break at a high should push it. That breaks it into the next range. I'm going to keep the stops current candle there. We end up breaking it there. Keep the stops right there. I mean, yeah, it's 100 pips, but in this range, that's the equivalent of 20 to 30 based on what we were doing before. So I think it's overextended. Yeah, I think it's very overextended. I think it's NYC open though, and with this bottom wick off support, the higher time frame support. Let's see right now. If it rebreaks current low at this area, we'll delete. Yeah, I think it's a good time to delete. Delete, 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 delete. The perfect pullback though on the hour. The hourly and the 30 are amazing there. And if we start riding up, I might actually add it back on. Where would it reject though? Let's look at this like candle. That was a spot to reject. 4509. 4509. I think it's kind of tapped into this area. $4509.7 it tapped into. Do. That's where the wick is, 4509.2. That. Yeah, Sam is 100% right. Thank you for the reminder. Please drop a like, sub to the channel. Don't forget, we are plaque chasing. I need your help. I can't do it without your help, gang. Please, sub to the channel. Share the stream. Yeah, we'll be waiting on a 4-hour close there. Okay, here's the deal. If this candle is able to close below 4491.6, if we're able to pull back here and get us back into that most recent range, right? If we're looking at this area here, then we need a closure. We're able to get this closure. We'll be looking for top wick sells off this area. We need to come down and get that previous, most recent resistance here, not over there. We need to get back down below. Then sell off that area. All right. In order to maintain structure, where did it need to bottom out? We just called it. We said that wick. No, then maybe that wick next. Right there. That's good. Next time. Literally tap that wick. Pushing back up. Yeah. My stuffs might be in order for a 4-hour close. Fuckers pushing up quick. Gang, 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 gang. Ripping my hair. Scalpers Unite, missed your stream this morning, so I'm guessing you live in Asia. Because for me, this is this morning. So if you missed the stream, probably last night for me. 5 minutes on this 4-hour candle, this 1-hour candle as well. NYSE open did a whole bunch of nothing. Up and down 150 bips, and that's it. 250 bips. Hidden part of Asia? What the hell's the hidden part of Asia? You live beyond the ice wall? Winter's coming. They're playing 30. No, I think I'd prefer a close above here. It's a level, right? This is still a level at 45.20. The reason I didn't draw this line here based on this, on these candles. We drew this based on way back to the left. And look at that, respecting it. It's actually wicking right off. It's right off of it, closing below it. So I'm gonna want a closure above here, not just the seller you're playing a break of the highs. Yeah, not just this break highs. Three minutes though. For 3 minutes, a lot of time. I mean, this thing might not even close bearish. We might push in the last minute, right? We might push 150 pips in the last 1 minute. It's 3 minutes here. Look how it's riding up. We're seeing like 200 to 300 5-minute candles, 200 to 300 pips, 5-minute candles. Jeez. What is this sorcery? We're not gonna do anything. I mean, you can have all the FOMO in the world if you want. I'm not acting on this till we close. 2 minutes here. Two minutes. Go scratch your itchy trigger fingers. Here's a good way not to do anything. Walk away.
Nope. Blunt. Can't walk away from the blunt.
I gotta go grab mine. Ooh, lift off. Is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming? 1 minute left in the 4-hour candle, and this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna do this in the last minute.
200 pips.
Doesn't deserve our money. Oof. Two 15 light candles, a 30 light candle. I'd be careful here. This is gonna rip down off the beginning. It respected this level still.
Mhm. Yes, it did.
30 leg candle right into resistance. You might see this pushback now. All right, let's go back to this. 4509.1. Makes sense in a small time here. The 5 makes sense, right? As you come back up to hold this area, the bottom wick. Up. Build the leg candle range, 287, 285. Okay, if we can get to 4509 here, break of the highs would be incredible. Even though right now, it also makes sense on the 5. Even though there's a resistance here, this 5 makes sense after it comes back, because now you can start looking at this as a support to bring you up. Yeah, I can't imagine the break of that 30 bring us down. Just stops. 116. 25 difference here. 75. Yeah, gang. I think buys are going to be in order at the break of this high. The break of 45.24.6. Bottom wick. Stop. Buy. High stops 45.24. Celery play here. Looking to break. Got a 15 celery, but we're really looking to break that previous 30, get a 30 celery. Actually 100 pips on that. Yeah. Partials at 100 pips. And current candle stops. All right. Broke the highs. Let's see a push. Only about a 25 pip difference between the celery play entry and the rebreak of the highs here. Need one more push up. About 60 pips here. No, we're up about 40 pips here. I'm sorry. 50. Huh? Be patient with this range. See another pump. See another rebreak of the highs here. Huh. Once it rebreaks highs, I'll go break even there. Okay. Lock in here because there's 5 minutes left in this candle. This 5 will be key. We got to see how this 5 closes these 30 seconds. If this 5 is able to re-break its own high, we go break even. There we go. It re-broke its own high. Go break even there. The next 5 might come down heavy if you don't go break even. I'm actually going to close partials right there at 50. Oh, we might see a big pump up right now. Might see a big pump up. Let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. I closed partials. I closed exactly half my position on the live account. On this one, I'm going to go 12, delete this sell limit. I'm going to go market, sell 12, sell right there. I'm going to move these stops to break even. I'm going to make this a 3. Perfectly. There. I'm going to go confirm. Okay, that sucks. Let's go 3. Let's go sell stop. Stop right there. See if we get this runner to give us 200. W!
Nice.
$45.5 is full TP. But we tapped the smoke joint level, right? 45.31. Really position 40. Go 45.55 flat. Sorry, that's gonna be TP. 45.55 flat. If we are able to get a pump. Come on, push us up. Let's go.
We got a runner.
Not much of a runner, up 30 pips only. Partials did get closed at the, what was the smoke joint level? Light joint. Yeah, partials 51. So we did secure 51 pips on that one. 31.2.
Let's get them likes up.
Yeah.
Y'all winning out here. Get them likes up. Y'all winning.
That's really not what the stop was. Oh, yeah, it was what the stop was per candle. Yeah, we're up about 86, 87, 88, 90. Pulling up to 100 pips here. Something light. Worked out perfectly here, right? There was the rebreak of the current hourly, was the rebreak of the previous, the previous 30, previous 1 hour, previous 4 hour. Yeah, it was the rebreak of pretty much everything. Wait until onion forms, then it's pushed down now. What's the stop loss you were planning, the last 15 low or this? Oh, that might have been earlier. Right now we're at break even. Stops are at BE here. Right, we secured a bacon and stops are at break even. Yeah, I saw 90 pips here on this trade. 92 I saw so far. I closed at 51. Closed half at 51. I want to see at least 200. at least 200 here before I think about closing runners. So 45 areas right here for me to start thinking about closing, and if we are able to push through with volume, I'll look at 45.55. But I'm looking for at least 45.45. Yeah, 45.45. You in the money, baby. W. What a great New York session. We love volume, and that's our job. Predict a high volume candle with high degree of probability. Running at 92 pips here, almost 90. Give us the push. Push. Ooh, up 120 here. Push up. 45.45. We're looking for another at least 90 pips. Looking for a big pop up. Big pop up. I'll stop now. Oh, wait, this is the new 15. How did we close? I didn't even look. We might not have had a wick. Damn. I mean, that's still a good closure. We had a wick. That might bring us down. How much did we see? We saw about 120, 118. We're gonna play the pump song today? We can. Fuck it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, I think we're a bit off on this song. I think we need to get back down here to 45.20. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Oh, it might be working. Come on. You see this wick here? If we start coming down, that's likely the destination, and that's past our break even. But we're up about 70 pips here. Let's see if we get another 170. Or break even. We secured a bacon. We're winners here today. You know you got to sing along. And there's plenty of opportunity for more positions here today. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. It's not so sell stop right here. That's a break even. So that's my stop loss being moved to break even. You see the position has 3 left running, 3 lots. So I have a sell stop for 3 lots. In case we come back to break even, it'll sell those 3 off.
Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Got to feel it. What's the name of the jam? Say I can feel it. You know you can. I've got my groove on, and I'm ready to go. Check out my ride, girl, but don't touch my radio. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up and make me feel good. Feel so good. And make me feel good. Feel so good. Feel so good. What's the name of the jam? Say I can feel it.
Come on, bastard.
You know you can.
It retested the highs there, did
I've
not
got
break
my
them.
groove on,
Yeah, see, it retested,
and I'm
didn't
ready
break
to
them.
go.
That's iffy. Next
Check
candle.
out my ride, girl.
Next candle might not have a top wick. Unless
But
we
don't
come up
touch my
now and break.
radio.
Break us, break us.
Don't you know? Pump it
Look at this
up.
lit candle on the
You've got to
5
pump
down.
it
We should
up.
continue up.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
You know, and I'm gonna market close maybe 2. Sell. Market sell. So that was 106 pips right there. Nice. 106. I'll leave that little 1 running for 300. 106 secured. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Give me the 45 areas, and I'm calling the fucking dealership right now on stream. We're up about 130 pips here, gang. Yeah, I guess the song worked. We need more. We need more. We need more. Pump it. That closed above the range. You're gonna get a top wick. You might get a bottom wick, and then you should push up. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Win number 707. You didn't close on live? No, I did not close on live. We're up 130 pips on the live. I'm looking for at least 200. Not 200, but I'm looking for 45, 45, which brings us into 200 areas.
Just confess your girl admits that we the shit. FORESH, we fresh. GEF, that's right, we different. We definite. BEP, we reppin' it. So turn me up, turn me up.
Pump it. Pump it. 45-40, gang. 45-41.
You check this out right here. Do wanna hate on us, do need to ease on up, do wanna act on gut, but do get shut like Flavor Chuck. Chick say she ain't down with chick backstage when we in town. She like men on drum, she wanna hit and run. Yeah, that's the speed, that's what we do, that's who we be. BLACKEYADD to the E, then the I to the S. When we play, you shake your ass, shake it, girl. Make sure you don't break it, girl. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Come on, baby, just pump it.
Louder.
Pump it.
Pump it. Pump it. 190 here.
Pump it. And say,
180. Oh, gonna close right there for 200 pips flat on the live at the dealership. Call in the dealership right now. Oh, let's get rid of the sell limit here for 3. 200 pips secured. 200 on the dot on the live account. So live account, we've secured everything here at 45.45. On this one, I'm gonna leave this little one lot running till, honestly, I don't even know. I'm just gonna let it rock. Either break even or 1,000 pips. Let's do it. Pump it. Pump it.
Where them W's at?
There, where them W's at? Pump it. Wait. We can't pump with no music. That's why it's coming back. We need music. We need pump music.
I see the one, could she be that lady? I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo? Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get so. Smack that. Style ready to attack now. Pulling the parking lot slow with the lockdown. Convicts got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the wardrobe intact now. I feel it on and crack now. Ooh, I see it's all at back now. I'ma call them, then I put the mat down. Money no problem, pocket full of that now. I feel you creeping, I can see it from my shadow. Wanna jump up in my Lamborghini Gallardo? Maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tybo. And possibly bend you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get so. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor.
on.
Get a little drink on, they gon' flip for the sake on shit. You can bank
bank
on
on
it.
it.
Pedicure, manicure, kitty
Kitty
cat
cat
claws. The way
claws.
she climbs up and down them poles. Looking like one of them pretty cat dolls. Trying to
Done
hold
it.
my woody back through my drawers. Steps
off stage, didn't think I saw.
Creeps up behind me and she's like, yo.
Yo.
I'm like, I know, let's cut to the chase. No time to waste, back to my place. Bus from the club to the crib's like a mile away. I'm more like a paddler, shall I say. And plus I got a pal if he gal is game. In fact, he's the one singing the song that's playing.
Can the music stop now before YouTube takes us down? Here's the deal. You're right. You're absolutely right. We should. But I made the stream you were asking for. They should be available. I've made them available. If they're not available, let me know because I deleted the songs that like fucked it up. Smack that. Smack that. It's so smack that. Oh. All right, 230 pips in profit here right now. Yeah, we definitely got a.
We got a runner.
All right. Let's get back to the music. Normal music. That's a banger too. Yeah, for some reason it's not available. Let me know. I just delete the song that really messes it up. All right, we've called the car dealership. The Lambo's on the way. We smoked a joint. Matter of fact, we're gonna smoke another joint. Matter of fact, I'm out of papers, gang. I'm bringing out Puffy the Magic Dragon. Yeah. So 200 pips secured here. Win number 7. Oh, wait. Did we already do that? 707, yeah. Win number 707. Hey, if you guys want, you can trail your stops in profit, put your stops 100 pips in profit and just let it rock if you want, but I'm just gonna see if I can catch over 500 pips here. Yes, oh, back to Puffy. I'm gonna bring out Puffy with the Diddy oil. No, I mean the Magic Dragon, bro. What? Huh? Wait, what the fuck did we just say? 45.55, the first possible area that has potential to bring you down to BE. But if we pump it, if we can pump it, boy. Really? Like, how is there 100 people in here? There was almost 200 when I took the trade. Why? Where did y'all go? This ain't the whole stream. I got another 2 hours of Japanese. I maybe got like 14 more trades in me. Where are y'all going? Who's giving out 200 pip W's today? Where y'all going? Oh man, got scammed again. Wait, 702? That's wrong. Why does it say 702? 706. It should be 707. Fucked up. I don't know why I put 702 over there. It should be. Sorry. 707. Win number 707. Goes into the W column. Phenomenal. Great job, everybody. Congrats to everybody that got the W.
Congrats. Yes, sir. The W.
You gotta mute that YouTube when you hop onto the turn the mic on. But yeah, congratulations. And hey dude, where are you from? Right near the beach, boy. Mikey. That's almost like Muhammad. They really are going to get the Lambos. Yeah. I told them, hey, dude, you gotta call the dealership. Your mentor, is it Uncle Ted? No, my mentor is my father. I did learn a lot of things from Uncle Ted. You're not wrong. Did pick up a lot of things from Uncle Ted. I've picked up things from a lot of people. You know what I mean? I've learned a lot of things from a lot of people. My existence today is the sum total. Your father taught you to trade? No. But it's a big reason for the mindset I have in the trading approach. That's massive. It's a big W. Big W, more important. Approach to pressure situations. Really from my father. What? Are you serious? Your mentor is your father? Yeah, he doesn't know how to trade, doesn't know what the fuck gold is. Right? The most expensive thing he's ever had in his life is probably my mother. But it's just, yeah, it's not rich, not filthy. Full-time trader? No, my dad doesn't know what trading is. He's probably watching the stream right now. Hi, Pops. Hi, Mom. Yeah, my parents watch this stream instead of the news. Like, they used to watch, like, you know, Fox News or Trump or shit, but, like, my mom hits me up. She's like, did you play music on your stream again? I'm like, yeah, why? She's like, it's unavailable. I'm trying to rewatch. Like, what? She's like, yeah, I'm running around. I'm doing a bunch of errands. I was going to rewatch your stream. I was like, Ma, skip the first 14 minutes because I'm talking about ass and tits. No, but they don't trade. They don't know what the fuck it is, but they do now. Not they watch me, but he just taught me the approach to pressure situations and just the mindset is very key, right? I'm telling you, like, he's a very stoic individual, and then like I said, just reading up on the Stoics, Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, right? It just helps. Doesn't need to be trading, right? You find your own path in trading based on and the way your actions here based on your experience and the knowledge you gain from that experience. But really, the proper application of your knowledge will come from your mindset. Remember, wait, hold on. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Yep. Sorry, gang. Yeah. But remember what I told you yesterday? The impediment to action advances action, right? Remember Marcus Aurelius. Whatever stands in the way is the way. Right? Or it becomes the way. You got to understand the idea of those obstacles in your path are the path. That is not an obstacle. That is the path. You mind explaining why you took that trade again? I didn't take it because the lower wick was not deep. Isn't enough because I know we're very bullish. But I was waiting for a steeper wick. Well, then, my friend, I would say I used to be like you, but experience or knowledge guided by experience has forced me to optimize and improve and grow. And I promise you, you will be put in that same corner where you start to plateau. And the only way for you to grow is to start optimizing, start improving, start getting more experience, more time in the charts, really locking in all the possible opportunities that exist there, and then testing them. And in this case, my knowledge, that's guided by experience, as I like to say, led me to take that trade because with a high degree of probability, we were going to predict this volume push, volume candle. Yes, there was a minor resistance there. We looked to the left, but we closed above a major level. We've retapped that major level down here. I've erased those lines already since we got there. And we created a top wick here. We came down, and if you look at the levels to the left, I showed you what wicks we were playing here. What levels we were playing. If we go to the hourly, I showed you this wick. I showed you that wick. That's where price came down here off these wicks, off those wicks. And then on this one, I did not need a steeper bottom wick because we tapped the previous resistance. That was a support. We've tapped that previous resistance's wick, so the edge of it right here. And now this next wick tapped our current range, that next support. What next support? Where did it tap? Well, right here. This is a support right there. That level, that's a support. This wick, we wicked right into. I did not need a steeper wick than that. Support, 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 and it keeps hitting the higher support, higher high, higher low, and it keeps, these lows keep tapping the next support above, the next possible rejection area above. And here there's no possible rejection area when we look to the left. So when this candle came down, the next possible rejection area is here. Otherwise, we're breaking down, and there's nothing here that would have stopped it. That we would have came all the way down to here, 44.96. But once we tap that support, we're re-breaking highs, and it's still technically NYC open, new 4-hour candle. Right, we're 30 minutes into there. It just made sense. Oh, we've tapped 300 pips and I didn't close. I'm talking to you here. This, oh. Let's retest it. Let's retest it. I will close. Or should I not? Should I just let this run the rest of the session? Yeah, fuck it. We got Trump speaking. Let's see. Maybe in a few hours. Let's see if this can run. We closed 200 pips. We've tapped 300 and... Wow, 458 from 45. We saw 330 pips. If anything brings us down, it'll be this area. Look at that reaction. Sure. Up 300 for the day. Damn it. While I was telling you stuff, I missed my closure there. I'm kind of happy though, because like, good for content, right? Just let this rock the rest of the day. On the new 4-hour candle, 400% agree. You took same trade. You took trade from Lucid? No, this was taken on top one futures and on AMP futures. Chill. Up 300 pips for the day. Gotcha. Sorry. Yeah, let's. Sucks. This sucky. Come on, come back up here. Look how it tapped our level on the dot. Like No one's doing levels like this. Nobody's doing levels like this. Nobody, my friend. Wow. Big W's, gang. The Wix 9 stimmies are in the mail or in your account. The stimulus checks are out. Look for them in the mail. Wow. So we just came back 130 pips. Fuck you, my friend. Filled the whole range. Yeah, but we got good security over here. We caught good security at this closure. Look at this level. Look at how it's respecting all our levels. We got these levels on the dot. You see how we closed here? Partials at the dealership level. Look at the bearish closure there. That's gonna be a level. It's gonna be a confirmed level on a smaller time frame, more recent. Look at the level we've tapped here for our full TV. Also, damn. Struggle. All her cigarettes smell like weed. Yep, coming down, my friend. And whenever we have a drop like this, so I would expect a retest of the highs, but we're gonna have to get down here to 45.30 areas. Number one. Number two, we're gonna have to get that. If we break 45.30, it's this support right here at 45.18, and that'll take us out. Why did you grow your hair too much? Like you're a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. Orange dude will speak later, Wix. You'll let the stream run. Got 200 pips here. We caught almost 200 yesterday. Caught over 50 on Sunday night. Like it's we're pushing 400 pips. It's only Tuesday. Why are you yelling from your keyboard? I don't know. He doesn't like my hair. He's growing at me. He's growing at me. He's yelling at me about my hair. I'm sorry, my friend. You guys, that's the next level up, fam. What are you saying? You don't have to be on the charts all day. Yeah, I mean, like, dude, we're up almost fun. Like, if I see something, I will obviously call it. There's no need to sit and stare at lunchtime, right? At New York, at the charts during lunchtime. So, and it's moved like 1,000 pips here. How much have we moved since NYC opened? We've moved over 1,000 pips, over 1,300 pips. You know Daniel Holmes? No. Yeah, if you can please stop yelling at me though, that'd be cool. Word, we know Dr. Holmes. In the Zooms. Wait, anybody? No. Boy, if we survived this pullback. Although I doubt it. Could have had a limit sell off 4555. No, I don't know. Denzel, you know Mike? You know my cock's long? You don't know my cock's long? Damn. Well, hold on. We have London close coming up here, which can give us some volume. Give me some retesticles of the highs volume. Wait, everybody wants that. Everybody's looking for the retesticles of the highs. But you know what we haven't done in a while? We have not done a W. So I'm keep looking for my fucking papers. Buffy in the building. Turn off ads on your account? I don't even know what that means. Turn off ads on your account, bro. I don't have ads. Have you seen a single ad during the stream? You definitely have not seen any ads during the stream. Never seen an ad. What was that? That was probably an ad. That was probably an ad, but you've never seen it before. He yelled at me. He said, "What was that?" I like this guy. Is this still young? Yeah. I like him. It's like he's in a cruise ship that's docked next to ours. Like we're all having a party on our cruise ship, and this guy's on the next one over. Like, can I join? When you have already pressed the like button, you gain no ads power. Oh yeah. Yes, smash the like button. And if you sub, what happens if you sub? Yeah, Goldie's ripping. It's been ripping. We saw 300. We closed at 200. I did it, bro. No, you didn't. It's still cap. Oh, you liked. Sub. You sub, you get notified when Wix is on to make money. History Bob. Yeah, I didn't want this to come down, but there's a chance we get back down here to 45.15, 45.18 areas. But man, I want to see 300, 50, 400, 500 pips. 45.25, 45.75, right? It's 500. Can we get 500 pips on stream? Possible. Not probable based on the current price action and the next support. It would likely need to tap at 45.25. Oh, shut up, bro. What you thinking? You here for a little ranging at top, or is there more in the tank? I think there's way more in the tank. I think there's way more in the tank. Oh shit. Look at this 15. Bottom wick to fill. Run up. Un song for me, despacito. You sound desperito. It'd be wild if I if I play the song for Mikey, and that's the song that gets us banned. Imagine, Mikey, they gonna hate you. You really wanna take on that responsibility? Buffy ain't playing. 4 minutes here on the 1 hour candle, and it's quite indecisive here unless this 15 can rip us up. Hey, yo, what? What did you just say? Death threats coming to your P.O. box. Coming to a P.O. box near you. Is it because the news about the yields? Live for Christ. Do you really care? Do you care, honestly? I don't care why I made money. I know why I made money. Price action. Is it ganja you smoke? Yeah, it's that crypto crown I kind of like. Yeah, you don't care. You fucking made some dough. I just seen it pop on my trading view. Yeah, popping. Hold on, I gotta let Benny inside. This fucker's stuck outside. Do not get on the bed. Do not. Fucker peed right by the door. Got right into his pee. Dollar crashing. It's good notice. Last week, he was smoking this stuff called death. Now, I got shit to do today. Indian government, they banned the smoke. Why? Well, my friend, I don't know. Not Indian. You see that red dot on my forehead? No. If I was Indian, my father would be like, you could have been a doctor. You should have been a doctor. Now you come over here with this trading bullshit. They don't want me to be a doctor. Be finding like an extra clip inside a person's artery and shit. Be sprinkling some weed on the guy as he passed out. All right, we need some morphine and a pound of sours. Like the news thing popped on my trading news, something about yields. I could care less. Goldie's ripping. Let's go. Yeah, the yields. The only thing I yield is at my corner because there's a school crossing over there, so I gotta fucking yield for these little rascals. A bunch of little monsters running around. I mean, I fuck with them. They're really cool. But I really fuck with them. Like, not like I'm cool with them. I like, hey, y'all want some candy? I'm the type to do that. I be pulling up to the school blasting fucking, you know, do your chain, hang low, do it, wobble to the flow. And I'll be pulling up with my kids, rolling down all the windows. My oldest one be doing this all the time. We pull up to the school, you can't see her. She's basically by the floor hiding. The younger two are over there like, is it platinum as it go? But the oldest one, she's like, The kids are funny. All right, the hourly close here. Gang, last bit of volume before New York goes to lunch. Last 30 minutes of volume. Let's get ready to rumble. Look at this top wick. Look at this 1 hour push. We can get this bottom wick to respect our BE Oh boy. 500 pipperoos. You drive an Escalade too? What do you mean? Who else drives an Escalade? And the caps lock. He's got Eddie's keyboard. The caps lock button doesn't work. Oh, look at this opening. Look at you. Just look at you. Ow. I'm pulling my hair. Stop pulling my hair. There's like one hair somewhere caught and it's pulling and fucking mother. Who else drives an Escalade? What do you mean? Escalade 2. Escalade 3. Black chasing. Yeah, please sub to the channel. How are you at 100 viewers? Like, I don't understand this. Who else is streaming right now? Are they watching fucking Tank Your Trades? What are you watching? Yeah, missed the trade. I thought did I just be getting migraines sometimes for no reason. I thought did you? If we don't catch another hero, it's not gonna be streaming tonight during Asian. Yeah, I'll be streaming tonight during Asian. Don't forget this. There should be a ton of volume. For Power Hour, ton of volume. So I will be looking at possible positions. Get the bundle and get access to the private community. Yeah, my light joint level should have been pack bowl here. Bowl level. You know what I feel like? I feel like there was 100 people that dipped that were here just hoping I'd lose. And then we take a W and they're like, fuck this guy. Let me go troll the next. And cross out Wix 9 off the list of fucking people to annoy this morning. All right, next. Nick Stewart, fuck, he's not streaming. Next. You show up and just get irritated at the W and leave. Like, fuck, man. Hate this guy. I'm sorry, gang. I'm sorry, trolls. Like, I will provide you with content some other time, but today, today's our day. So, red day for you, green day for us. Nah, but we stream for first time here. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. But I wish there was more of you. I wish there was more of you so I could get to 100K subs faster. After that, it's just smooth sailing. After that, I'm just like... I'm just gonna do fucking life content. gonna review steakhouses. Solving a Rubik's Cube live on stream blindfolded. You guys will fucking struggle. How can I join your team? Gotta get drafted. Bro, just become an active member of the community. Get the bundle, get access to everything that we have, and be active. Show up to the streams, show up to the Zooms, show up to the private streams and Zooms, show up, be part of the giveaways, you know, and be okay with asking questions and being criticized and taking advice. Just become active. Activity forces accountability, and accountability leads to improvement, at least in this space. If I can get the bundle, there's a link right above you. Become active. Show up to the streams. Show up to check out the chats, the Discord, the entire Discord, all the channels, everything. Go to my IG and just go through all of my IG content, and it's nothing but, you know, either trades or breakdowns of trades or advice or, you know, mindset. Or go if you want a lot of value. Yesterday's stream, massive value. The entire last week and the week before that, a lot of stream. 2 weeks ago, Wednesday and Thursday streams, just a lot of actual educational content in the stream. A lot of value, a lot of stuff just that just nobody talks about, nobody discusses, nobody teaches, nobody goes in depth on. $1,400 tick move. Yeah, we're gonna let it rock. We'll see what happens. Kenny, I'm gonna need you to fucking FedEx overnight me some some papers. I'm out of paper. Get these shits in like FedEx an hour. FedEx 1 hour. Because this is bullshit, bro. I mean, Puffy's cool, but I like the process. I want to sit here and just enjoy my fucking. Come on, enjoy it.
I feel you.
Hold on, there's 97 of you now. Hold on. Before you guys really all fucking go to lunch, don't dip yet. We're not leaving yet. I'm not. You know what? I'm gonna do this on purpose. If people want to leave, I'm gonna fucking stay. I'm gonna be petty about it. Oh yeah, I'm staying here through the entire day. We trading. I'm gonna take 4 more trades just cause. I wasn't gonna trade. Y'all forcing my hand right now. I'm gonna fucking, and don't worry, you won't miss anything. I'll definitely post the profits. We'll send you a screenshot of the profits. Oh, they're coming back? Are they coming back? Yeah. Let me know for next one. I'm on the sidelines after this move. All right, I think this is perfect timing. Gang, I need to grow this account, and I can't do it without your help. Please drop a like and sub to the channel, and if you can, just now, specifically right now, at this moment, can you guys please spam the shit out of the W button? Just get me some W spams. Let's go. We can do this. We can do this. Unless you got an Eddie keyboard, then we can't do it. But please spam some fucking W's. Come on, spam the dubs. The mods can do better. I need more spam. Keep spamming. You guys got to get spammed out. If you ain't spam out, why are you not getting spammed out? Keep going. Just not one W. Just keep going. Fuck. We making content over here. You guys didn't learn your lines. Your lines were W. This shit ain't hard. W. That's some terrible actors. Thank you. All right, we got that done. And the beat goes on. Best actors. You guys could not learn your lines. You have one job. You have one line. You have one letter. You guys would show up to the shoot, be like, what's my line again? W. Oh, all right. You guys seen the State Farm commercial? Is it State Farm or is it Allstate? I don't know. The guy. Oh no, it's Liberty. Liberty Bibbity. He keeps going off script. They're like, say the lines, bro. Can you just say the lines? And he's like, the lines. The guy cut. Yo, what's the deal? What's up, Airbender? I usually call people by the first word in their name if it's got a lot of words, but I can't call you the Black. What's up, Black? He's just Black. Nah, that's Airbender. I gotta call you by the last two. Birthful Day, you gotta catch that bush pick. The bush pick. The pig push up before New York. I may be done for the day, but setups are too good. That's what I'm trying to tell the viewers. Right? They did. There was 90 in here. Now it's $110. I told them I'm gonna stay here on purpose, be petty, and take trades because they all did. Yeah, we got in here. We got a 200 pip runner right now. We saw about 300 pips, 330, but I'm looking for 500. I am looking for 500 pips here on the runner. Now think about it. This candle right here, that previous 30, is the entire candle's a range. Top wick, bottom wick, not really about it. The entire candle's a fucking range here. We hold the low of the range, we break the high of the range, we're headed to the next level. And before you know it, Trump speaks at around 45.89. Trump's going to speak when our price is 45.87 or something, and then it's going to plummet all the way. Trump's going to speak, gold's going to go to shit. What price did you get in for that big part of the move? What do you mean? My entry's right here. 4525. On the live, the entry was 4524.7. So we got slipped 4 pips over here on that break on the funded. Usually I get slipped on the live, not on the funded, but funded slipped us 4 pips. That ain't really slippage. That might as well be commissions or spread or whatever. What comes with the bundle? All the private parts of the Discord. Don't look at me! Oh, you can see all the private parts. The channels, all the private chats, the private streams that happen at least once a week. There's a private stream. You get access to the Zooms, right? Private Zooms, you get access to... Yeah, to the Zooms, to all the streams that we do. You get access to private giveaways, right? That I only do for the private community. And the giveaway, almost everyone in the community has won multiple giveaways, and they're instant funded accounts. They're 50K Ignite accounts, which is instant funded, straight to funded, skip the challenge, right? I give those away a lot. And you get access to the signals. So all the positions that I take outside of stream, like yesterday's 170 pip banger during Power Hour at 3 p.m., that was not on stream. We did not stream for Power Hour yesterday. Only for the private community. Can I get like private classes? You don't have to. You don't have to wait for. You don't have to wait for school to open up. School's not open yet. Yeah, There's a lot coming. There's a playbook. There's a lot coming. A playbook coming. There's a like an in-depth playbook. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a big read. It's not gonna be like, I know people try to simplify what they do in like, you know, in like 5 to 7 pages, 10 pages. No, like if I gotta break down everything, it's gonna be a big read. But it's not gonna be an annoying read. It's gonna be like a comic book. It's gonna be a lot of pictures. No, what I'm planning on doing is having a calendar that's attached to the. That's gonna be attached to the playbook and integrated in. The playbook's gonna be integrated into the calendar and to your journal. When the school opened, I've been contemplating getting it, but I'm doing it today. Yeah. We were planning on August 1st, but it's just seems not ready. Takes a long time. Don't forget, like I'm a family man, but like it takes a long time and to really break down every position that I take, and then it takes a long time to go in depth on it. And then when I go over them, I constantly notice little things that I left out or that need to be added, like little nuances that people need to know for certain situations. But like I don't think of every possible thing as I'm writing these things. So as they happen, I'm like, oh shit, I didn't add this in there. I just add things onto there. And it's been a work in progress. Sure. There's a certain strategy I should start looking into. I heard you talking yesterday a lot about price action. I mean, that's what we do here, price action. We do technical analysis, which is a study of historical price data, right? We want to see what happened previously in order to base our current trading on it. So in terms of levels, in terms of candles, in terms of structure, right? In terms of patterns, cycles, like price action just means that you're using nothing but price to trade. You're not using an indicator or you know, or whatchamacallit, or an EA or a bot, or you know, or Batman signals or whatever they are. What are they called? Whatever. It just means your price action. All it means is you're using price itself, the candles themselves, to do your analysis. Our version of price action, built in-house, proprietary, we use price with a deep understanding of levels. With a deep understanding of structure. With a massive knowledge and understanding of how candles relate to each other. How to read them backwards into a smaller time frame. And it's all rooted in knowledge that's guided by experience, not knowledge that's coming from a book or from secondhand or from a seminar or from another guru. This is knowledge, so I say proprietary. It's built in house. It's guided by our experience here. Not guided by, you know, this isn't book knowledge. This isn't book smarts. It's the trading version of street smarts. If you didn't take today's trade, was there another spot you would have entered after our trade? No, there's nothing else. This is the only structure we've had. That was the only trade possible. You might be printing some more structure to come up, but we already have a runner here, so I'm just going to see if that can run. Like, this is the structure that's happening here, but this is a stronger level than this resistance, so we might fly down here versus this area. We might come up. If we come down here, this is a possibility as well. 45.18. That would take us out, obviously, but we might tap this area down here and fly. I don't know. But it's not about just how we trade, right? It's honestly my ability to be able to get through to you and pass on to you the correct way that I trade, right? My ability to really get you to apply this correctly. That's what a value is. Right? I don't know what I do is the best thing out there, but I'm the best at teaching it. Right? But it works, and I'm the best at teaching it. Right, it's not to say that somebody else doesn't have something good either, and like they're probably the best at teaching their own shit too. That's what I would expect. It'd be a real questionable if somebody's not good at teaching their own strategy. Well, why do you do this? Well, I'm not sure about that one. What? No, you got to have a reason, a deep understanding, reasoning for every little action that you take on the charts, for every single action that you take on the charts. And you better be able to explain all of it in great detail. Otherwise, what the fuck are you doing? Arbitrary my ass. We broke out hard. Right through major resistance. I wonder if we can tap those June highs. Probably not today, but definitely soon. We tearing it up. Probably not. Don't give us a steep whip. Don't give it a steep whip, my friend. Oh man, load this 1 hour up, boy. So much lesson before you can read the market, understand what it's doing, and at what time it's doing that as well. Damn, you think we see the market well right now? Wait another 5 years. You're gonna be like, holy shit. You're gonna be like Neo in the Matrix. Yeah. You telling me I can dodge bullets? No, I'm telling you that when you're ready, you won't have to. Gosh, all the hair on your face. Please shave. That's got to be somebody I know in real life. Sorry, bro. I'm itching for a trade, lol, but hate looking for a short scale. Need to be patient. Yes. I'm itching because this guy just mentioned my hair. My beard. Eugene Van, 427. I don't know, bro. Is it an Astro van? Did you register as an SO? And yo, let's bring Puffy back in here. Appearance. Quick app. Go pack that. Pack that all in the bowl. Smoke that. And toke it slow. Get high. Oh. Damn. Remember how I told you I like long romantic walks to the bank? I gotta switch that to evenings by the fireplace inside the Rolls Royce. Like long romantic evenings by the fireplace inside my Rolls Royce. Go up. Yeah, that's what she said. Then haha, LOL. What are you watching after House of Dragon? Bro, I've been looking up on Sunday just in case House of Dragon was like trolling and drops another episode. I just be checking. I'm watching a lot of shows right now. I'm watching a lot of shows. I'm in the middle of a lot of shows and a lot of them are done with their seasons. Last minute here for London Close volume, really. Might see a trickle down bit. We don't want to. You heard Handmaid's Tale is pretty good? Yeah, I heard Bluey is pretty good too, bro. What fucking Handmaid's Tale, bro? I'm waiting on a whole bunch of the shows to come back. Three Body Problem I'm waiting on. Samurai I'm waiting on. Oh man, there's so many. Oh, I'm also finishing up watching Chernobyl with my daughter. I don't know. We're watching Chernobyl on HBO. My kids like historical shit. They'd be like, did this happen in real life? I'd be like, yep, the Blair Witch really lived right here. She's upstairs in the bedroom. Chat, I might be streaming from the soup kitchen tomorrow. The soup kitchen Asian session special. Try that. Try saying that shit 3 times fast. Soup kitchen Asian session special. Bye.
You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Yes, I guess so. I guess bye it is. You know, it'd be really cool if it buy and run. Because right now,
We got a runner.
Wow, I feel good.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
Just give me the line.
you puffing hard today? Damn, slow down, Wix. Not too loud. Hold on a second, chat. They're funny friends. I got some funny friends here. Is it no questions? Nothing? No comments? Okay, watch this. This is key. You might get that hourly flip, but the key is here. 40, 45, 48. This candle is going to have to close above it. Whichever candle breaks that hourly flip. Because from here, we can just get that top wick and get a heavy push down. So not just this flip, but we need that closure above 45, 48.2. Somewhere above here, we need to break. Because that hourly flip is right into this level where you can come right back down from. But you are getting a salary play on a 30. You are getting the 1 hour flip. You do have a previous 1 hour wick to fill. We do have a heavy bottom wick on this 1 hour, actually 110 pip bottom wick. All right, this is what I just spoke about, right? The 15. Right? You're gonna get to that 1 hour flip, but this is where this level can hold, right? This is where you might see the top wick and then this price completely break down. That's a possibility here, and that'll bring you to a steeper. That'll bring it down for a steeper 1 hour bottom wick. So I think that'll happen though. That's the off chance, but it's possible off this level where we're at, not any other level. After that, it's smooth sailing up. If that, look at that. So you got that initial reaction, not necessarily a rejection yet, but that might bring us down. Don't you bring me down today. Not good sell. What? Why is everything not? Not too loud, my baby. Not good sell. Let's just look at it 1 hour. It looks the prettiest. 1 hour looks the prettiest. Kenny, you on a landline? What is that? That's a cord. You on a landline, bro. I haven't seen a landline in 20 years. It's got to be on. Oh, no, that's his charger. Never mind. Thought he was on a landline. I was like, damn. Office vibes for real. What's next? America Online? Literally took the only possible position. This thing's just moving. Moving and grooving. Wheeling and dealing. Right. We want closures above here. We want closures above 55 for one reason. If we don't get a closure above 55, but a bullish closure, it'll fucking close as a leg candle into this resistance. Guess what? Next candle top wick into 55, and then we head straight down. So, for that reason, we want this drive. It spent the first half of this 1 hour candle making that bottom wick. Can we spend the next half driving? Come on. Look at the previous 1 hour. Not much of a bottom wick, heavy drive. We just got a nice bottom wick. Let's push. What is the... I can't move it anymore. Okay. You guys watched yesterday's stream, should have been in big profits for the day. If you guys were on today's stream, you should be in big profits for the day. If you guys were here last week, you should be in massive profits for the week. Everyone else? Should have been here. It's not too late, because you could continue being here if you're here. We literally just spoke about this, spoke this into existence. I should have never said nothing. Every time I say some shit. There I go again, just fucking talked my ass into some trouble right here. I'm telling you, chat, I've been speaking things into existence, not just in the charts, like in real life for like months now. My kids be getting scared when I say some shit. I swear, I'm gonna end up raising fucking safety wixes by mistake, bro. Cause like, I'd be like, careful, you're gonna hit your head. My daughter be like, damn, he said it. He goes in the room, gets a helmet. I'm like, what are you doing? She's like, you said I hit my head. Like, everything you say comes true. Because my oldest one noticed that, and she started saying that. She's like, you know, you've been speaking things into this. Everything you say tends to come true. And the little one starts believing her. So now I'm over here like, damn, this dog's gonna fucking shit everywhere if he's a. This girl's over there with a leash and fucking collar for him. As soon as he starts eating, she's over there. I'm like, what are you doing? She said, he said he's gonna have to, you gonna have an upset. No, I said he's gonna have to take a shit. Like, well, I can't say the S word. I can't say the F word. That's what they be telling me. But you know what they be saying though? I was eating. What was I eating yesterday? Oh, I was eating some chicken noodle soup and soda on the side. And the 8-year-old, she was doing some shit. She was doing some homework, something, and she messed up and she goes, bah! I fucking spit my soup out so far. Benny over there licking the soup off the floor. I said, what did you just say? She said, what? It's not a curse word. I'm like, don't say that shit ever again in public. You get daddy in trouble. You want to say it? You wait till you're in the bathroom alone by yourself. Yeah. Like, all right, we got a deal. Just do not say it. Because I curse all the time around my kids, and they know it. They just know not to say it. But that was... Somebody actually made up a word that makes it okay for kids to curse. It's normal. It's not a curse. It just sounds like one. Right? So I guess it's okay, right? Your girl wears some fishnet stockings and a skirt. It's okay, right? She ain't a hoe. She look like one, but she ain't a... So, right? You guys are okay with it. That's not really a curse then. Bah! Let them say it, but in the house, we do it also when we were kids. My dad used to say bad words in front of everyone. Here's the deal. I come from a household... I've never heard my parents curse. I don't know what it would sound like. My father has never cursed in front of me. My mother has never cursed in front of me. I have no idea what it would sound. Hey, shout out to you, Mo. I have no idea what it would sound like if they curse. I don't know if it would be funny. I don't know if it would be mean. I've never heard it. Ever. I'm 40 years old. I've never heard it. In my 40 years. But damn, my kids hear me curse 1,000 times a day. And somehow they manage to avoid me hearing them curse. I know they curse in front of their friends. I know all day at school since 3rd grade. They cursing. Maybe since pre-K. But they've been very good at like filtering where and when. Full belly. W, I'm glad. Pushing up on 300 pips here. Almost. That's a nasty 15. Look at that. Held and opened up with a top wick. That's what I was talking about. We don't want to hold. We want to push. Continue 1 hour. Continue on your merry way. So they act like they don't hear. Oh, they hear. Because sometimes it'll be like, you thought this was a fucking good idea? And she'd be like, yeah. Like, I'm cursing in a conversation with them, but like, I don't put the accent on it. Like, it's just part of conversation. Plus, sometimes they're in this room when I'm streaming and they hear me say all types of ratchet. I think it's a big reason why they like me so much too. Because I don't have a filter. It's just, you know, they know there's no back thought behind it. There's no even. It's just, you know, I'm with this tattoo right here means I'll wear my heart on my sleeve. So, you know, what you see is what you get. How sentimental are you, Wix? Oh man, this lit candle into the 1 hour is happening right now. Say it isn't so. I'm tired of speaking things into existence. This is terrible. Drive. We need a pump. Pump it louder. I'm hungry now. Yo, what we eating today? Every time I ask that, I go get oxtail. I don't want to go get oxtail. I eat pips. Almost until lunchtime. Munchies? Hell yeah. You saw how much I smoke right now? I'm starving Marvin. I'll eat my food, your food, the dog's food, the soup kitchen's food. I'm gonna eat everything. The bird food. Fucking parrots in the other room. I gotta keep them covered so they can be quiet. I got a bearded dragon, but his fucking food's nothing. It's crickets. I can't be eating crickets. Yo, he got so big, the bearded dragon. He's the size of actually. He's big. It's huge, believe me. Huge. Routine I skipped out on this morning. Vitamin D, some vitamin K2. AG1, some protein, some multivitamins, total human. You lucky dude. In my country, they test us everyone in a while. If they caught me with THC in my body, they would fire my ass out of the department. But I had a tiny hit yesterday. Don't get caught. Wait. In my country, what department would fire you when you work for yourself? The self department? The human resources at the self-employed department. Yeah, no. If anything, when you're self-employed, you just fire the human resource. What a confirmation of a celery play. A bullish break of a bearish candle at support. A bearish break of a bullish candle at resistance. Cannot be simpler than that. Does not need to be more detailed than that. It just is what it is. You work at the fire department? Hell yeah, I don't want you smoking weed when fucking working at the fire department. If you want to smoke weed, do something else. There's a reason I'm not a cop. I'd love to be a fucking homicide detective and solve murders, but instead, I'm solving the encryptions on these charts. You guys are wild, yeah. You know what I mean? Like... I'd love to be in the NBA, but my ass ain't fucking 7'19" like everybody else in the clubhouse. Yo, for some reason, we have the tallest Discord in the world. Like, the average height in the Discord is like 6'19". It is. Why is market reacting? Is there any new going? No, there's just old staying. No new going. We were ready to play ball. Yeah, bro. Honestly, Spaceman Sam, like, he knows. Like, if we these guys are like the Monstars from Space Jam. If we form a team, we should just have different communities play ball. This one would by far be the best. Our starting five versus what? Fucking... versus Nick's 2 starting five? Yeah, now if we do golf, no. Play mini golf. But if we do golf, I'm down to fucking play. I Happy Gilmore the shit out the ball. I'm down to play at the fucking range. That's what I'll do. I'm short in the clubhouse and I'm 6'1". I'm almost there, bro. I'm almost there. Where my high heels at? Baby, bring me my red bottoms. Me and the fella's going to play ball. Huh. I got me fucked up with this tall shit. Wish I was 6'8". walk around dressed like Tarzan just to make your ass uncomfortable. Good to see you on New York session again. Unfortunately, Asian session 3 a.m. I said, yeah, I remember. Ducking through doors. Cool with that. Like, because when you're tall, like, you don't got to do shit. You just got to be tall. Height will get you in a lot of doors. For some reason, it's just true. But so will pussy, like, right? If you have boobs, they'll get you in a lot of doors. Same thing with height. I can already see the negative comments from my mother about this. You know, I told your father to tune in from the dialysis place, and they all had you on stream talking about. Knicks do Stomp 5 couldn't hit a free throw to save their life. And not against our squad. Well, a free throw would be the only way, I think. You got some tall motherfuckers in here. Sorry, moms, you better apologize to the fucking dialysis office. There's definitely like 4 patients that are getting their fucking... They're getting their shits and giggles on. All right, green drink ready. Do the drops. 2 drops, remember, chat. 2 drops. That's all you should do. That's your daily limit. All right, full TP hit on the drops. Green in the building. Where is he?
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
It's a green drink and drops. Green drops. Green drink. Okay. That's out of the way. What's next? Oh, I'm out of creatine. We got protein. No, bro, you can't have any. Benny loves his protein. Oh. Bro, why you barking at him? You know he ain't shit. You're always barking at the neighbor's dog. I think the neighbor got mad that I had a big ass dog, and he got himself a big ass dog for no reason. It's kind of wild though, because it's like a 150-pound golden retriever. It's not. It's like Lassie. I don't know, but it's big as fuck. So now they just bark at each other across the yard. Fuck. That closed with no top wick on the 15. No top wick on the 30. No top wick on the hourly. Leg candle on the hourly. This can bring us all the way back down. But look at this 4. Oh, no, that was a 2-hour closure. This can bring us back down here. A top wick. I might close if we hit 300. I want to hit 300. Give me 300. 290. I might not get there. Yeah, we need to get up there. This might be the rejection level. steep top wick. Let's close 300 pips. 300 pips close. W, if this fucker runs another 300 right now, I'm be tight. So logic behind this should bring us back here. We got a leg handle here. We got a top wick opening. We should come straight down with this candle. I just don't know where the resistances are. Past this one. We've got to scroll back here, but I closed full 300 on that one. Yeah, right. So you might see this tap right here and come right back down. 45.61. Come right back down. It might come back down off our level at 45.55. Oh, okay, it's coming down. So that's not to say it's gonna head all the way back down here, but that is to say, if it's gonna head down from anywhere, this is gonna be the level. And it did it into our level. Like, this is where we usually would take sells. Not with this bullish ass market, but if there was a resistance here printed like recently, we would be taking sells off this. W 300. Oh, we were able to secure 300 on stream. Oh, the runner. The runner. These 300 people. So look, everything here, everything about the candles, everything about the level says pullback. Everything. Everything. So the 4 hour is bullish. The 4 hours got another 2 hours to leave a top wick, to pull back, to drive up, whatever it wants to do. But as soon as you start dropping time frames, 2 hour opens up with no bottom wick, straight into resistance. 1 hour closed leg candle within the previous wick, never breaking it, and we've opened up with a top wick here into a higher time frame resistance. The 30 closes with no wick. And the next one opens up with a top wick, obviously, to come down. And the 15 closes with no wick into that range. On the candle that breaks you out, it closes with no wick on a candle that breaks you out of the range, out of the 15 range, which means highly likely the next one will fake out and come back down because the candle that broke out closed with no top wick. So highly likely prices coming down here. I would bank on the fact that it's going to get down to 45.42. At 45.42, 45.43, 42.8, it'll have a chance to pump back up. But based on how we've moved, the level we've tapped, and what the higher time frame looks like, I would say we pull back down to 45.20 areas, and it's going to be a good thing we secured here. Yeah, it might run after that, but I really want that to happen because that means we could not have picked a better time to secure that trade. And this bearish flip is just a validation of what we see here, of how we read these candles, how we read that price. Like what's happening right now is just validating what we do, right? This break even. Right, entry there, break even on that flip, and you let it rock to this body right here, 45.46. If you were in those cells. Take any other trade. No, it's you don't need to. It's noon. I'm just kind of curious to see, honestly, now how this candle is going to play out here. But we could have closed out at 300 and immediately taken a position the other way. But then that's fucking getting really greedy. It's a very, you know, it's a dark road, dark path to take. Not a rabbit hole I want to dig deeper into. Why market going strong so up? My internal Tourette's is kicking in. Are you down for New York? I think I am. I'm losing my voice. I've been talking all morning here. Hold on. I got to drink this protein. Done. Done. What's next? Multivitamin stack. Hey, by the way, oh shit, come back up. Our sponsorship wall is pretty empty, so Red Bull, you guys want to sponsor this stream? Be our biggest sponsor. Extreme trading. The only way Red Bull would sponsor this shit. Like I'd have to be doing some extreme shit. I'd have to be like getting waterboarded on stream while taking a trade for for Red Bull to sponsor it. Actually, in that case, the CIA might sponsor this. If this fucking thing drives heavy now, for my 500 pips, the only time I'll ever be upset about closing full at 300 pips. Will be a support of sorts. There's a leg candle that doesn't come. When the next candle doesn't come back on a leg candle and pulls away, most of the time that's the candle that forms support. So you might not see it here on smaller time frame, bigger time frame. $45, $47. Yeah, so 45, 47 right there. The market comes back to it. This resistance can as a support here. Gang, let me leave you with this. I'm gonna call it a session here, but there's a lot of catalysts, a lot of potential today to continue moving through the entire session. We have a red folder with FOMC minutes, mini minutes. It's not numbers dropping, but it'll move the market. And right after that red folder, we have the orange man with his folder. And that will move the market. Papa Trump has a tendency to really make it all about himself and be the driving force. So you might not see a move on or market start zapping again. It might pause a little right before FOMC and zap right after he starts speaking, because he really dictates the narrative, nothing else. So potential positions around power hour. Be ready if you're in the private community. If you're not in there yet, go get the bundle. You don't miss out on the trades we take outside of streams. And I will also be back here for Asian session tonight, 7.5 hours from now, 7 hours from now, ballpark. We will start a little bit before 8 p.m. Try to hop on right maybe in the last 15 minutes of the 7 p.m. candle. So I'll see you guys tonight for Asian session. Please bring your A game, bring your locked and loaded top 1 futures accounts, and make sure you use code WIX when you go get them so you can get a 55% off discount. That discount's going away soon, so go get your 55% off and go stack 5 accounts so you can get 60% off. Make sure you're using code WIX and try to get the instant funded accounts so you can skip the challenge and start making way towards a payout instead of towards a certificate. We lit a joint here, we smoked a joint, we hit Puffy the Magic Dragon, we called the dealership, and we did not get to pick up the Lambo just yet. It needed to drive up another 300 pips. Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you, as always. Danny, appreciate you. Everyone else that showed up, appreciate you guys. Congrats to everybody that got the W with us here on stream. Remember, once again, you are part of the top 2% worldwide, of all the traders worldwide that made money today, that are in the green today. That's something to be proud of. That's a small circle. It's a very small group of people. Got to build on that, okay? Build on top of that. All right, we need some outro music. What can we do? What can we do?
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money.
It's all good, baby.
And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream.
When do you take the trade? We just closed it. Rewind the stream.
Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Ma. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
right, chat. I'm gonna run love and wisdom to you all. See you guys tonight for Asian session. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session is in the books.
Keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me. Now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos in Queens, in dope for weeks. So loud seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear. Putting 5 carats in my baby girl ear. Lunches, brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good, And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack. Now my mom pimps an act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we thirsty. Damn right I like the life I live. Cause I went from negative to positive and it's all. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Representing B-Town